Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about conditional formatting in Excel with 4 examples. So it will be like 2 examples from one table and other 2 examples from a different table. And it is a very simple table, let me tell you, one for sales like I have told you and one for student marks. So by the end of this video you will know how to highlight important values like find top performers or even highlight entire row automatically. Then let's get started. And automatically means actually automatically I'm saying. So let's jump on the first question, that is highest sales above 50,000. So here we have the sales data table, and in this we can see column C and column D is having sales and target data. Now I want to highlight all the employees whose sales are above 50,000. Okay? So the thing is, let's start with this. Sales are above 50,000. So what you will do, you will just select the sales column. You don't select like this because this sales header will also come. No need to select like this. You have to select only the data or the numbers in the column. That's it. Okay? You have to go to home as it is already in home. No worries, but still sometimes it stays like this in your Excel. No need to worry, just go to home, click on this conditional formatting. Okay? And as I have told you, you have to find the highest sales above 50,000. So you have to, as I have told, highlight. So this is the option, highlight cells rules. And here we have some default rules like greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contain, date occurring, duplicate values and all. More rules are there, but here we will see greater than because our question is highlight sales above 50,000. Okay? So greater than we will go and we will just write here 50,000. Okay? And it will only work with the column which you have selected. It won't work on the full table. It won't work on the target table, I mean target column as well. It will only work with the column that you have selected. So we have selected sales, that's it. So 50,000 selected, and here it is given with what color, like light red filled with red dark, whatever you want. So you can do custom as well, custom format. Suppose I take this color and click OK. Okay? So return custom format, and in custom format whatever color you have selected, that will only get to be shown in the output. Just click OK. That's it. Let's check in manual way. 62 greater than 50, 55 greater than 50, 75, 52. Okay. So now every sales value greater than 50,000 is highlighted in the given color, whatever color you want, your choice. And this makes it very easy to spot the top performer or the criteria that you have selected. So here the criteria was 50,000. So for us they are the top performers or top sales achievers, right? So the second question is all about the entire row highlight if sales greater than target, or you can say highlight the entire row if sales exceed the target. Like sometimes we want to highlight the whole row, not just a single cell. So for example, in our sales table we have column C as sales and column D as target. We want to highlight the entire row where sales are greater than target. So for that we have to select the entire table. Okay? Don't select it from here, select it from here. Why I am saying, if you select it from the headers it will give an error, that's why I am saying. So select from the place where data is starting. Okay? So here data is getting started. Why I am saying, because I will be putting or applying condition formula from C2 and D2, that's why I will show you how. Go to home, go to condition formatting, and here you will be creating a new rule. So go for the new rule. Here already in the default section Excel has provided us some rules, but you don't have to go there. You have to just use a formula to determine which cell to format. So just click here and write equal to dollar C2 greater than dollar D2. Why I am saying this dollar C2 and dollar D2? Because in this you are saying, or you are kind of instructing Excel that C column should be freezed and D column should be freezed. If we don't freeze it, it will give us some miscellaneous answer which we actually don't want. So the thing is, for that you have to freeze the column. So I have freezed the C column, I mean the full C column will be freezed and D column will be freezed. And it is not like ki only C2 and D2 condition will be checked. It is like once this condition will be checked, C2 and D2, it will go to the second row, then third row, then fourth, till where we have selected. So we have selected till the 11th row. So whatever data we have selected, Excel will go to each and every row and then will check the condition. But the condition is applied only in C2 and D2, that you might be thinking, but it is not like that. Condition is applied for C column and D column. Okay, it will go first cell, it will check okay, if not, no worries, it will go to second. If it is okay, condition is meeting, no worries, if it will go to third, if condition is meeting, no worries, then fourth, like this it will go. Okay, so like we have selected it, I mean given the condition here. Now we will go for the preview part. Once we go for the preview part, go for the format, because here no format is set. I mean, how will you go get the output, like what color, or like in what way you could understand that this row are those rows whose this condition is met. So that you go for format section, go to pattern section, select any color of your own choice, select OK. So it will be like preview selected in this color because we have selected this color, and then when I will click OK, it will give you the proper output. So let's click OK and see do we get the output or not. So when I have clicked OK, what we have received, the whole row is showing, I mean the table, this table is showing us the data where the condition is met. Now let's check manually. It's like 62 greater than 50, correct, 55 50, correct, 75 60, right, 52 50, 80 70, 68 60. So each and every condition is met on C and D column, and we have received the output. So this is how we have worked out for the sales table. Now let's go for the marks table and see what questions do we have, or what examples do we have. So here we have three columns like roll number, student name, and marks. And the first question is highlight student who failed. And what is failing marks? Let's give 40. Like it is 33 in CBSE board, but let's give 40 here. So in this, first what we will do, we have to see whose marks are, I mean less than 40. So I have only told marks. So select this column, I mean select this column data for C column from C2 till C11. Okay, select this, go to home, same, go to conditional formatting. Here highlight cell rules is there, and here some default rules are given. Like in previous part of the sales data set, we have done greater than. Right now we need less than 40, so we will select less than. Okay, here already some default value will be given, but no need to worry, you can edit it, give 40. And here you have to change the color. So let's give yellow color, or let's give uh, green fill kind of thing. Okay, do it. Okay, when I will click OK, we will see whose marks are less than 40. Let's click OK and see. Okay, what we have received, we have received 35 22 15 and 31, which is actually less than 40. And instantly also we can see all students scoring below 40 are highlighted in the given color or format condition. Now we can see who needs improvement and who will get scolding from the teacher in parents teacher meeting day. I am joking, it's just a fictional table, just chill. So right now we will be going to the last question of this video, or you can say last question of this set as well. So highlight top 3 performers. In this what we will do, First of all, we will remove the condition formatting. How to remove that? Go to home, don't select anything, go to home, condition formatting. Here is the clear rules. So clear rules for selected cell, we haven't selected any cell. Clear rules from the entire sheet. In this, any rules you have that is applied in the entire sheet will get eradicated, or you will say, you can say will get cleared out. Okay, when you click this, see, it has came again to the default format. Right now what we can see, we have to highlight top 3 performers, and highlight top 3 performers means we have to just select all the marks, because in marks only we will be able to know na who are top performer, who are bottom performer, kind of thing. So in this, what we will do, we will select the same marks column. ठीक है, go to home, it is already, it is, go to conditional formatting. Then we have one default rules that is already made, that is top and bottom rules. So it's like top 10, top 10%, bottom 10, bottom 10%, above average, below average, more rules are there. So what we need top 3 performers. So we will select top 10, no need to worry about. We can edit it here. Here 10 is given, but I need 3. So I need here 3. So it will give us the output whose I mean those marks who are arranged in descending order, and top 3 is given. I mean, if you learn SQL, if you have learned or seen my SQL video, you would be able to know, like when I keep this mark in descending order and give a query like limit 3, it will give the top 3. Top 3 means, in descending means highest to lowest, descending means highest to lowest, top 3 means descending first data, descending second data, and descending third data. So it is having the same behind the scenes will be going on in Excel, and it will give you the output. So we have selected this, we will go here and we will select this yellow fill with dark yellow text. Let's see what we will get. When I click OK, let's see what we will get. Okay, so we have received this, but no need to worry, we will check it manually as well. So we will select this C column. ठीक है, we will sort it, sorry, we will sort it in descending order. ठीक है, expand the selection, sort. Now see what we have got. These are, aren't this the top 3? Yes, these are the top 3. So 90 is top, then 82, then 78. So this is how things work behind the scene in Excel. So it is just 2 to 3 clicks away and you will get the output, but it is only possible when you are dealing with less rows. So today in this video, what we have learned, we have learned 4 amazing conditional formatting tricks today, like highest sales above 50,000, or highlight student who failed, like less than 40, not failed, or highlight the entire rows where sales exceed the target, or highlight the top 3 performers. So conditional formatting is one of the simplest but most powerful tool in Excel. ठीक है, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more Excel tips, and please do not forget to click on the bell icon, because in this you will get notification when I will do live stream, as we do live stream every day. So I mean every day in sense only in when I am free, means it is like 95% of the days I do live stream, and if I have some work from my freelance client, that time it is really tough to do live stream, let me tell you that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video, and please do watch the Excel playlist for the Excel project video. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy learning.